Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to make a GIF on your iPhone for free. So let's get started. First, we're going to slide over. Everyone usually has this on their phone. This is called Shortcuts. Click Shortcuts. And then you have to, this is like where all your text last message, Shazam shortcuts, make GIF, what's your shortcut? We're going to do video to GIF. So if you have a video, you want to make a GIF or a picture, you just do this. So first you click video to GIF, and then it will show all your videos. And then we're just gonna click this one, and then we're gonna shorten it, and then we're gonna click save. And now it made it into a GIF. Now it's a GIF. And then you click the little download button up there, slide down, click save image. And now we're going to go over to gallery. And now it's right here. And as you can see, it's like moving. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped in any way, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.